Hi, I'm Chris with Comrex.
And I'm Grace with Comrex.
And this is a Tech Talk. Grace, what are we going to talk about?
So I have a lot of customers come and talk to me at a trade show, and they're concerned about browser support, specifically Flash, since a lot of our products use that.
Yeah, so you might have heard that as of 2020 December, there will be no more Flash support in most of the common web browsers. Well, if you're not familiar with Flash, it's basically a very sophisticated software tool that allows for animation and especially gaming through web browsers. And Adobe made the announcement that as of December 2020, they're no longer going to support the Adobe Flash web browser plugin. You also may have noticed that if you use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or what's the other one? Microsoft Edge, they make it really difficult for you to get into a Flash interface. And in some cases, you have to jump through several hoops. It's kind of their way of getting customers ready to phase it out. So what we've done is we've introduced a new version of firmware starting with 4.3p6 that allows you to use an HTML5 interface by default.
And how would they access that interface?
Well, on 4.3p6, you would actually type in the IP address followed by /react, R-E-A-C-T, and it'll bring up the HTML5 interface. But as of 4.5, a new version of firmware, it is now going to be the primary interface, so you don't have to type in the /react. Just the IP address, and bam, HTML5, and you're good to go.
Amazing. Now, which products does this work for?
So all of the IP audio codecs, such as BrickLink Classic, BrickLink 2, Access Portable to USB, Access NX Portable, Access Multi-Rack, Access NX Rack, and your Access Rack mount.
So I noticed that you left out Access Portable Classic. However, most people would be using the interface that's built onto the unit itself, right?
That's correct, because it's got a nice touchscreen interface that you can use a stylus with, or on the NX Portable, it's got a nice touchscreen interface. So really, you're not going to, for the most part, be using the web browser interface for that.
Now also, our Stack product uses Flash as well.
Right, and some of our other products do as well. So you might see an HTML5 interface for those before the end of 2020.
Okay.
And we also have some apps that are Windows-based that will be available for some of those products as well. Just keep your eye on the support page on Comrex.com for all the updates, and also keep tuned into our Tech Talks, because we'll talk about this stuff as it happens.